In SmartestQA, actions are the building blocks of your tests. Every click, type, or check you record becomes a reusable action. Let us open the action page. Here you see the action list showing all recorded actions with their page name, action name, type, and linked test cases. Click Record Actions to start capturing. The browser opens the target site. As you interact, typing a username, entering a password, clicking Login, each step is automatically saved. You can see the confirmation toast after every recorded step. After login, we sort the product list. The recorder captures this as a select action. Back in SmartestQA, the action list has grown with 2 new actions added automatically. Hover over any action to see Edit, Copy, and Delete options. Click Edit to open the detailed view. Here you see the page name, action type, and most importantly, the locators. You can also use Show Screenshot to see exactly which element this action targets. SmartestQA stores multiple XPath locators for each element, which powers the self-healing feature. Use the drop-down to switch to manual creation mode. This form lets you define actions by hand, set the page name, choose a type, and add locators manually. The action type drop-down includes click, type, navigate, get, visibility check, hover, and select. Use Save as Copy to duplicate an action and change its type. Perfect for reusing locators across different interactions. Make test automation this easy with SmartestQA and start scaling your projects faster than ever.